You think having one skill is enough to survive in this market? You are wrong. One skill makes you a worker. A stack of skills makes you a master. The world doesn't pay for what you know, it pays for how you combine what you know. Today in the class of builders, we talk about skill stacking. This is the architecture of the modern African professional. If you only know how to write, you are competing with everyone. But if you know how to write, how to use AI, and how to sell, you are in a league of your own. Think of it like building a house. One skill is just a brick. But when you stack bricks, mortar, and steel, you have a structure that stands. Look at this. Copywriting plus AI prompting plus digital marketing. That is a stack that commands dollars, not just change. You become a one-man agency. In a world where AI is moving fast, those who refuse to stack will be replaced. The specialist who masters the tool is the one who survives. You don't need to be a genius at 10 things. You need to be competent at 3 things that work together perfectly to solve a real-world problem. Stop looking for the one thing that will save you. Start building the layers. The more you stack, the harder it is for the market to replace you. Complexity is your protection. Mastery is your reward. Build your value in the shadows, then let the results speak. The question is simple. Are you building a wall or are you just collecting bricks? The time for laziness is over. The era of the multi-skilled builder is here. The choice is yours. Here is your assignment. List 3 skills you have right now. Tell me how you are stacking them to win. If you are serious about your growth, type skill in the comments. Subscribe for the full lectures. This is the Street Lecturer. Class dismissed.